This video will show you how to replace the inlet valve on a Caroma One Piece Toilet. There are several different inlet valves used on Caroma One Piece Toilets, but regardless of the inlet valve type, the process for replacing it will be the same. We've listed Caroma One Piece Toilets in the description below with the correct replacement inlet valves and linked those part numbers to our online parts store. To prepare your toilet for this maintenance work, you'll first need to turn off the water to your toilet and remove all of the water from the tank. Continually flush the toilet until most of the water is gone, and then remove the final bit with either a wet shop vac or by soaking it up with a sponge. Make sure to have a cloth handy, as a bit of water may leak out of the valve when you remove it. This is a view of the rear underside of your one-piece toilet tank. Your water supply line is attached to the bottom of the inlet valve, so the first step is to remove the water supply line. You can now start to remove the inlet valve by removing the outer plastic nut that connects to the water supply line. This step looks really easy in this demo because we're able to show you the back view image. We understand that you will be reaching around to undo the connection with limited space. We're showing you this view to help you visualize the work area. Once the outer plastic nut is removed, you'll see an inner plastic nut. You'll very likely need a wrench to remove this nut, as it will very likely be very tight. Again, if you look at how we're placing the wrench, we hope it will allow you to understand how best to work in this area. Once that inner nut is removed, you can lift out the inlet valve. Your new inlet valve will come with a new inner plastic nut and a black seal. Unscrew the plastic nut and place the valve inside the hole in the tank. Attach the inner plastic nut below and tighten. It's important to ensure that this valve is properly tightened and watertight. Hand tighten the nut and then give it a 1/2 turn with a wrench. Don't over tighten it or it can crack, but make sure that it is tight and secure. Now attach the large outer plastic nut and replace the water supply line. Turn the water to the toilet back on, refill the tank, flush, and check for leaks. If you have any questions about this maintenance or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday Pacific Time at 1-800-460-7019. You can also email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com.